Have you ever wondered if the future is already happening somewhere in the cosmos? Let's dive into the enigma of time, an elusive entity that might not be as linear as we perceive. Consider time dilation, the idea that time passes at different rates in different places. Could this mean that future events are already unfolding somewhere out there? Now throw in the concept of space-time, which bends and twists our understanding of past, present, and the future. If time isn't what we think it is, then is the future already written in the stars? Consider this, somewhere in the cosmos, light years away, a star is exploding. A celestial spectacle of such magnitude it's hard to fathom. Yet the light from this cataclysmic event is only just reaching our eyes. This star, in its death throes, could have met its end hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years ago. But for us here on Earth, it's happening right now. Imagine a cosmic ballet where the dancers have performed their steps eons ago, and we, the audience, are only now seeing the performance. The universe, a stage so vast where the past, present, and future coexist. But our limited perception, bound by the speed of light, can only witness these events in a linear fashion. Just as we are watching a star's demise that may have occurred in the distant past, could it be that somewhere in the cosmos the future is unfolding? Events that we deem to be in the future may already be taking place light years away. We are merely waiting for the light to reach us to reveal these events. Take for instance a civilization on a distant planet, evolving and advancing. Their progress, their triumphs and tribulations could be centuries ahead of us. But we are yet to perceive them, yet to receive the light carrying the stories of their existence. So, what is the future really? Is it a point in time yet to come? Or is it an event that's already happened, only waiting for the light to unveil it to our eyes? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The future not as a destination but as a reality that is concurrently unfolding, just beyond our perception. This interplay of light, space, and time paints a picture of the universe that is far more complex and intriguing than our everyday perception of time. It challenges our understanding, pushes us to question and explore. So in a way, the future might just be a matter of perspective. The idea of wormholes might not be as far-fetched as they seem. The concept of wormholes, first proposed by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in the mid-20th century, has been a source of fascination and controversy for decades. These hypothetical structures are believed to be shortcuts through the fabric of space-time, tunnels connecting different points in the universe. Imagine a sheet of paper, that's our universe. If we fold it in half and poke a hole through it, that's a wormhole, a direct path from one point to another, bypassing the space in between. Now let's talk time travel. If wormholes exist and if we could somehow harness their power, they might offer a way to experience future events. Here's how. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute. It's flexible, bending and stretching under the influence of gravity. This means that time could potentially flow at different rates on either side of a wormhole. So if you were to enter a wormhole, you might emerge at a different time as well as a different place. You could theoretically arrive in the future, experiencing events that, from your original perspective, haven't happened yet. This is, of course, all theoretical. The existence of wormholes and their potential use for time travel remain unproven, but it's a fascinating idea to ponder, isn't it? Could wormholes be our tickets to the future that's already happening? So, is the future already happening? It's a mind-bending concept to grasp. We've journeyed through the enigma of time, contemplating its non-linearity. It's fascinating to think that the past, present, and future might all exist simultaneously, just waiting for us to discover them. We've ventured into the cosmos, where the fabric of space-time might allow for the future to unfold, even as we observe it. Imagine witnessing a star explode millions of light years away, an event that happened long before we even existed. We've explored the concept of wormholes, those hypothetical shortcuts through space-time. If they do exist, and if we can navigate them, who knows what future events we might encounter. We've examined some hefty concepts today: time, space, and the future. The cosmos is a vast, mysterious place, and perhaps it holds the answer to whether the future is already unfolding somewhere out there.